Meet the new iPad Pro. It's all new, all screen and all powerful. Completely redesigned and packed with our most advanced technology, it will make you rethink what iPad is capable of. And what a co. Putter is capable of 11.12.9 all-screen design. The new all-screen design means iPad Pro is a magical piece of glass that does everything you need, any way you hold it. Intuitive gestures. With new intuitive gestures, getting around is simple. Liquid Retina display. The new Liquid Retina display goes from edge to edge. True to life color and promotion technology make everything look gorgeous and feel responsive. You have got to see it and touch it to believe it. Face ID. Face ID comes to iPad. It's engineered for secure unlocking and works seamlessly whether you hold it in portrait or landscape. It's the world's most secure facial authentication in a tablet and in a computer. A12X Bionic. A12X Bionic is the smartest, most powerful chip we have ever made. It has the neural engine, WH/CH runs 5 trillion operations per second and enables advanced machine learning. Translation, it's faster than most PC laptops. Coming to iPad in 2019. Multitasking. Put all that power to work by Moore. Tasking with just a few swipes. Work on a creative project, message with a friend, search the web for inspiration and make a FaceTime call. All at the same time. 2x faster graphics. A12X Bionic DIL. Was 2 times faster graphics. 2 which makes iPad Pro the perfect machine for augmented reality and a great way to play immersive games. Reality just got really fun. Apple Pencil. Introducing the NW Apple Pencil. Responds to your touch. Apple Pencil now responds to your touch. With a double tap you can quickly change brushes or switch to the eraser, without interrupting your flow. Pair and G. and it attaches magnetically to pair and charge. In other words, it's a snap. Smart Keyboard Folio. The all-new Smart Keyboard Folio provides a great typing experience and elegant front and back protection. We think it's just your type. Sorry, we had to. USB-C. USB-C gives you a high-performance connection to accessories like an external display or camera. 3. You can even charge your phone with it. 2 great cameras. iPad Pro has 2 great cameras equipped with Smart HDR. A 12-megapixel camera for stunning photos, 4K video, document scanning and AR experiences, and a true-depth camera P. Perfect for portrait selfies, FaceTime, Animoji and Memoji. Portable. At just 468 grams, it's more portable than ever. Connect on the go with fast Wi-Fi and 4G LTE Advanced. 4. And with up to 10 hours of battery life. 5. It's the biggest change to iPad since iPad. That's a look at the new iPad Pro. It's the biggest change to iPad since iPad. The only thing that hasn't changed is the name. Like AC. Inputter. Unlike any computer. Smart Keyboard Folio. Full-sized keyboard. Front and back protection. Smart Keyboard. Apple Pencil. Introducing the all-new Apple Pencil. Find the iPad that's right. F. Are you? Compare iPad models. Apple Footer. The iPad Pro display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangular shape, the screen is 12.9 inches or 11 inches diagonally. Actual viewable area is less compared with the previous generation. Apple Pencil, Smart Keyboard Folio and USB-C device cables A. E sold separately. Data plan is required. 4G LTE Advanced, 4G LTE and Wi-Fi calling are available in selected markets and through selected carriers. Please check with your carrier to see if these are available where you live. Speeds are based on theoretical throughput and vary based on site conditions and carrier. Battery life varies by use and configuration. Features are subject to change. Zone. Features, applications and services may not be available in all regions or all languages. Adobe Photoshop CC will be available on iPad in 2019. UI is subject to change.